Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing the one color outfit challenge.
Hey guys,
we
want you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be #notifications and get all of our cool content.
Okay, so this is my friend Cookie, but her name is Coco right now, and my friend who is not on Roblox is Cheyenne, and she is gonna talk us through this because she doesn't have a Roblox account, but yeah. We're gonna start now. You pick first color.
Oh, by the way, we're going to do the one color outfit challenge. So
yep, that's what we're doing today. And so Cookie's gonna pick first. So let's see what color she picks, and then red. Okay. Okay.
So we're gonna start the challenge.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
No. Start. Okay, go. Now we get to go. Okay, I already kind of have an outfit for this. I know it's kind of cheating, but I kind of already have an outfit for this. I'm going to do my hairstyle, though. I'm going to change my hair color. I'm going to go, like, red. Like, not, oh, how about fiery brown? This looks nice. Or honeycomb. Honeycomb might be nice. Sour strawberry. No, mixed berry. Starburst. Oh, mixed berry looks good. So we're gonna go with mixed berry. I don't know why my name was that. That was my roleplay name.
Let's see, makeup, maybe.
Makeup. Okay, face.
Makeup looks fine. It's just
custom eyes. Red. My eyes are also gonna be red. No, I hate when it does that. I already had a cute face. Okay, now I just gotta put some lips. Some, like, big, juicy lips. Look at them lips.
Let's see, pink and red or cherry red?
Look at them lips. Okay, that's good. Pink and red.
Or cherry.
Pink and red looks good. Okay, I'm finished. Okay. Looks like Cookie's still going. Actually, I have something else I can do. Hairstyle, not boys. I want to go to girls. Colors, red. Okay, so we have mixed berry, and good thing it glows, because I love glowing outfits. Glowing hair. Sunset song. Ooh, that one looks super cute. Cherry sunset. Oh, I really like that one, guys, but I don't know if it really goes with my outfit. Kind of does, not really.
What about Daredevil?
Oh, I like this one. This is. I don't know if it's too bright though. Oh, I wish that it doesn't glow though. It doesn't glow. It works, but it doesn't glow. Ooh, guys. This looks good, I think. Oh wait, no. We just gotta go ruby red. Ruby red looks adorable. Ruby red, we're going with ruby red, and I'm just gonna change like a style of my outfit. 99 color palette. Let's just go with free sparkles. I mean, they are cute. Everyone's like, oh, free sparkles are cheap and stuff, but they're actually cute. I don't know why there's no red section for, like, designs, but there definitely should be, but there's not. I'm just gonna go with summer. I mean, honestly, ooh, this for sure, this, yes, paint it all, paint me. There, okay. Hairstyle definitely needs to be changed. It does not really go with it too much. Okay, so, let's see. Sour strawberry might be nice. See, oh, that looks so cute, but if it was opposite, I would definitely pick that. This one, maybe. That one looks super cute, but probably not. Oh, I think Cookie's ready. I don't think we have a lot of time left.
Daredevil looks good.
Okay, let's just go with, oh, look cute. Okay, I like this. I kind of like this. No, I'm just going to go with this. This is cute enough. Okay, I'm ready. Time to rate. Okay, come on, Cookie. Cookie, come on. It's time to rate Cookie.
So I'm also going to rate and say.
Okay,
Wait,
so
it can be a tiebreaker. So 3 people So
Yeah,
someone
then
has to win.
yeah, so someone
So,
has to win.
Cookie will judge.
So
You will judge. And
yeah,
I'll be
and
the
then
tiebreaker.
yeah, she'll be the tiebreaker. Okay, so
So
Cookie
just tell
is
Cookie
gonna
that
sleep.
I have tell
Cookie's
Cookie that
gonna
you have a friend
sleep.
over who's gonna be the tiebreaker.
Sure. So Cookie's sleeping, so that means I have some more time to work on my outfit. Not really, it's kind of cheating, but no one will know. Everyone be shushy. Everyone be shushy.
See?
Everyone be shushy. Oh, no, Cookie's awake. Cookie's awake. Okay, I'm good with this outfit. Okay. I rate yours. Okay, so hers is super cute. Like, I love the teddy bear. It makes it all pulls it together. And her hair, I love the glow. Again, it's amazing. I'm going to rate hers a 7 because I really like 7. I'm going to give her a 7. I don't know if it'll let me write 7. Seb. No. I don't know why it won't let you, like, write some numbers. Like, if you're putting down, like, a phone number, then it shouldn't, but like this, no. Okay, so now she gets to write mine, and then we get a tiebreaker. So
Yeah.
right now,
Well, this
Cookie
will be
has
already
7.
so hard to decide. I
Yeah.
love your skirt, and I love your dress, and I love her hair and her cute teddy bear. It all
Yeah.
pulls it all together.
I don't
just
know if
like
mine. I don't know if my hair really does very good.
Yeah.
I rate. Okay. What did she rate me? What did she rate me? Rate me. What do you rate me? Please tell me it's something good. I don't think my hair goes with it at all, but it's something. I tried, people. LOL. Lol, people. Got a lol.
What does she rate you?
She just put lol.
Say, what do you rate me?
A roam? What? Oh, you roam? No. I have a friend who's the tiebreaker if we have one. So rate,
Okay.
please. Please. You gotta rate, girl. We're not doing it like this long of a video. We only have 15 minutes, and we're kind of getting late into the video. So 10. Okay. So what do you rate her?
You didn't tell her how much.
I
you
said
rate.
7. Okay, what do you
All right,
rate
7.
her? So what do you rate her and what do you rate me? Quick, we don't have a lot of time on the video.
Okay, I rate. Okay, let's say yours looks really good, so I'm gonna give it an 8.
8, and what do you rate? Cookie. Cookie slash Coco. I can't speak. Coco. So quickly,
I think
we don't have a lot of
Cookie,
time.
your outfit looks so good. Her outfit looks so good. I think the hair kind of just. I think I'll rate Cookie just 8.5, so she'll win by a half. I think.
No, so I won. I win first round. Okay.
All right, because my.
Okay.
my rate adds to
Okay,
your
we gotta pick quickly. I pick sunset. No, okay, I pick. No, I can't. It's not really a color. It's not really a color. Or galaxy.
You can still do it.
Galaxy. Galaxy. I know it's not really a
Galaxy.
It's not really a color, but it's a galaxy color. Okay, so let's get dressing up, people. I
Oh my
think
gosh, this is gonna be
the hair is definitely like the most amazing thing that you need to work on in this. in this one. The hair
Oh, wait,
is the
go
whole
up.
thing.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, no. We gotta find the galaxy hair. Milky Way. Milky Way. Gotta go with Milky Way. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so beautiful. Okay, face. Now I'm
Pick a different hairstyle.
eyes. Eyes blue. Or purple. Purple eyes. Purple eyes. Lips. We're gonna go plum. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward this for you guys because we don't really have a lot of time. So I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, guys. We have
We're
finished.
back.
Well, I finished my outfit. I don't know about Cookie, but I think she's doing pretty good. But I don't know. Do you like my outfit, guys? I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, I don't know if I did a super good job. I could not find a material that could look like my hair. But anyway, this is what my outfit looks like. It's kind of cute, but I mean, I wouldn't say it's the best, but I tried, guys. I tried. So, it might be a minute before Cookie's done. She seems to be looking for hairstyles. So
Yes,
we'll,
it was so
yeah.
hard to find like the perfect hairstyle.
Yeah, so we'll be back when Cookie
We'll just
is
give her a
done.
minute,
Yeah, we'll
and
be back when
for
Cookie's
the
done.
rating.
Yep. Okay, Cookie has now finished, and we're ready for
back.
rating.
Just want to say the dark purple skin color was a little too intense, so we just changed it to light purple instead.
Yeah, well, we were waiting for Cookie. Okay, so we're gonna rate Cookie first. I'm rate you first. Nice. I rate it, I really like Cookie's outfit. It goes really well together with everything. And again, the teddy bear looks amazing with it. The bubble gum, I don't really agree with the bubble gum because it looks like it's getting stuck in the teddy bear's head. But overall, I'm going to rate it, a 9. Because I think a 9 would be suitable for this. Okay, so let's say, I'm just going to say 9. 9. Okay, so I rated Cookies, a 9. So N. Okay, so N.
It looks like she cooks. Looks like she rates you 9 too. You. Yay.
Okay. Okay, now you rate me. Okay, so hopefully Cookie rates me pretty high. I mean, I worked very hard to get all this stuff. I saved up for most of this. I rate. Okay, so Cookie said on my rate. We only have like 3 minutes or 2 minutes left. Okay, so Cookie just like shorten it. Shorten 8. Thanks. Okay. Okay, so now Cheyenne, we're gonna wanna. So now we're pretty close to each other just by 1 point. So we gotta rate it and rate it quickly because we only have a couple minutes left for the video.
Yes.
So
I
yeah.
rate Cookie an 8, and I think I'll give you a 9.
9. So we're tied up. So this one was a tie. Tie. Amazing. It was a tie. Because originally she gave me an 8, and then you gave me a 9, and I gave Cookie a 9, and then you gave her an 8. So it's a complete tie, and we both win this one. Good. Good
Wait, it says
job. Cookie.
It says, come on, please.
Wait, what? What did she say before? I wasn't really following, guys.
It says no, she doesn't. I think she wants there to be a
We can't.
Okay.
No, it has to be.
Tiebreaker is coming in
No,
again.
no, we can't have a tiebreaker, guys. No, this is who won.
I pick pink. No, the video.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do another video. So we're gonna start off with pink. Okay, guys. So yeah. Bye, guys. See you in the next video, which will be posted any minute now. Okay.
Subscribe
Yeah. Okay. We'll say this in the other video.
Notification Squad.
And don't forget to be in the Squishy Squad in the comments. Okay. Bye, guys.